Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this zoom in and zoom out edit for your photos in the CapCut mobile. So just add your photos, the photos that you want to edit into CapCut like this. Then add two keyframe on each photos, one at the start and the other one at the end like this. And just zoom in and out to your liking. So for the first photo, I'm going to zoom in at the start. Then it will have a zoom out effect like this at the end. Okay, you can just I'm going to zoom in again on the second one. Okay, and just repeat the steps. Okay, so after you create a keyframe and zoom out and in like this, you need to add a grab. So click on the grabs on each keyframes, and here click on custom and use this customize grabs. Okay, create it like this and do this for all of the keyframes. Okay, just repeat it like I do like this. So now after you add grabs, you are done, and this will be the final result. So guys, that's how you can create a zoom in and out edits on your photos on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.